In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to use the Cross Runner, otherwise known as a curved treadmill. Now, do bear in mind, the belt moves automatically, okay? So when you step on it, the belt moves, right? So use the safety rails to help you on and off the treadmill. Holding onto safety rails, step on the sides, the foot plates on the sides, so that you can stand and get yourself into position without falling over. Now, the controls are really simple because it largely does it automatically for you. So all I'm going to talk to you about is how to reset the controls if somebody else has just been on the treadmill. So all you need to do is press and hold the reset/go button, hold it down until it makes a beep, and that's the whole system reset. You don't really need to do anything else with the controls. There are ways you can set distance and time, but come speak to me or Sean, we'll show you how to do it. But otherwise, just go, simply. Right, the just go part, that's a bit more difficult because it's not like a normal treadmill where the belt goes for you. You power this treadmill. So you want to step on the belt. Now, the further up the ramp you go, the faster the belt moves. So if you want to start walking, simply act if you're going to step forward and the belt will move. You step forward again, put your pressure on that forward foot, the belt will move, and of course, keep going. Now, of course, generally, I would advise hold on to the handrails until you get used to this. So a lot of people start to lean forward too much and the belt runs away from them. Keep upright, hold on to the rails. Once you feel a bit more stable, you can start to walk. And like you would naturally go outside, if you want to start to run, you widen your gait, and eventually, as you step further up, you'll be higher up the ramp will move faster, you can start to run. And it's quite a natural feeling once you get over the odd sensation. And to slow down, either bring yourself further backwards or begin to slow down from a run like you would do outside. Now, this Cross Runner does have power adjustments using this lever. If you're running, you want it actually on the least power. So the faster you want to go, the least power you want or least resistance you want on the treadmill. So ideally for walking, you want about midway, and that gives just enough resistance to do a bit more of a natural walk. You can put it up a little bit more if you want to sort of mimic walking uphill, or about halfway if you want to mimic running uphill. Now what we can also do is go all the way forward, and you'll see the belt has kind of just stopped there. This then gives us into our power phase where we can use the horns or the handles and push as if though we're doing sled pushes. So you have options with the Cross Runner. The most important thing is the belt moves of its own accord. You control the belt rather than like a normal treadmill, the belt controlling you. So you need to control your own pace. There is a pace display on the controls, and you've also got a time to the far left, distance in the middle. Calories is there, but it doesn't really mean a lot unless you set it. However, the controls are really simple. Just get on the treadmill and go.